Wow. And suddenly we were in Chateau de Versailles in the Hall of Mirrors. What actually happened here? Let's see. So are we already in Versailles?
We're here 70.
Tim,
Sorry?
are we already in Versailles?
Nearly. Just on the road down to Versailles from the highway.
Of course, with Tim. Not straight to the chateau. We totally got distracted. Watch this. Département de Yvelines. So, there I see a sign, Versailles. Versailles Grand Park. Total stress here because we found an invader. There. Oh my god. Next to the Versailles sign. Did we get it?
I reckon I got it, but I reckon it's 2.
You reckon it's 2? 40 points.
Yeah. Sometimes it's a bit tricky.
Whew. Totally excited because we found another big invader. So I have my app ready to flash this one. I was not coming here for invaders, but here they are. So let's find it. Oh, missed it. Oh, I found it. 40 points.
Yep, me too.
You found Versailles 11. Ready for the next one? Are you ready for the next one?
Sure I am. Number 11, okay. Lovely, bubbly.
40 points. So there you go. It's very pretty. Rue des Deux Portes. And Place du Marché Notre-Dame. Oh, exciting! And we're a little late for the market, as you can see. They're cleaning up. No, let's go over there. Sometimes you're just too late. Like now. Yeah. So Tim is ordering us some quiche. Mine with leek, poireau. And he probably takes another fancy one. So that is lunch, and then he will drop me at Versailles or at the palace. We are in Versailles. And then we will see each other later again. Me by myself in Versailles with you guys. So the market was already closed. Sorry about that. Missed it. You got my finger.
Saucisse pour me.
Saucisse for
Pomme de
me.
terre.
Oh wow.
Onion.
And? Good.
It's perfect for cold weather.
Okay, we continue. So Tim just has left me. So now I'm on my own here in Versailles. And I'm going to check out some of these stores on my way to the chateau. Ta-da! Look what they have. They have Saint Nicolas chocolate. Our Dutch tradition. That's so cool. And look at it, Christmas tree. We are in Versailles. Chocolates, bakeries, and real estate companies. So we have arrived at Palais de Versailles, or Palais du Versailles, or the Versailles Palace, whatever you call it. Let's go along the fence. Woohoo! Look at this. Okay, let's go inside. I get attracted to the garden because somehow to me it looks like there is very nice light in the back. So I just want to quickly see that before I go inside of the palace. I'm gonna go upstairs because that's where the Hall of Mirrors is. This is where I just went to the green, and now we're going to the red state apartments and the Hall of Mirrors. Turns out that I had to get outside and take another entrance, so we're going to the apartments and Galerie des Glaces, to the Hall of Mirrors. We're making it very exciting to get first to those apartments and then to the Hall of Mirrors. But pretty doors, look at that. I should ask Tim if we can make some ornaments like that in the house. Oh, what is here? Ooh, wow. Amazing. Is it the church? I had some good fun here with not too many people in the Mirror Hall of Versailles and 360 and all that kind of stuff. Dusty. Yeah. So when in Paris, take the train or the car and come out here, especially in spring and autumn. It's really nice. In the summer it's really busy. As you can see, this is a Friday afternoon. Hardly anybody here. The Queen's room is suddenly very, very busy. Gee. People are moving. Too many people now. This I don't like. It's in front of the seniors. Well, and after the seniors, I finally arrived in this room. Can you believe it? Look at that ceiling. So I'm filming with my 360-degree camera, so I can really pan around. The walls, they have marble, so there are marble pieces laid into the wall. It is just magnificent, this. Luckily this was not too busy, this room, but what a beauty. So I was getting in a little bit of a hurry because I didn't have much time left. So there we go, fast tracking you through through the museum. This is 4 times the speed I'm walking it, and I filmed it with my 360 camera. I don't even know it. I think it's the war room. I'm not even. Maybe I should check that on the map. Oh, I actually still have that fountain in a 360 version. I should attach the card. I think I can attach a card to that. Did I just find by myself another invader? Must be. Let's check it. So this is my Flash Invader app. So now I'm going to tick it on. And then I'm gonna aim it at that thing. Ta-da! 30 points! Shebangy. Happy. Home sweet home. The good old lady. The Eiffel Tower. If you like this video and like to see more Vlogmas from Paris, please subscribe, like, and then of course I will see you tomorrow. À demain. Merci beaucoup.